Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe for more content and more videos. Okay, so continuing on with our wholesale FBA series here, we're actually going to take a pause on getting listings and things until I get my seller's license renewed. So I just didn't want to keep you guys waiting. We're going to jump right back into it. So you can find very profitable products by just looking at the Amazon catalog and then going back into Google or Bing and researching wholesalers for that specific product. Now, I know back to school is going to be coming up in the next 2 months, although we're kids are on vacation right now. Again, these are things you want to do in advance. You want to be first to market with stuff. Whether you retail wholesaling, retail arbitraging, online arbitraging, or wholesaling, you want to be one of the first people to market. So I know in 2 months people are going to be looking for school supplies. So what I did was I went and typed in clear backpacks, and it can be anything, guys. It doesn't have to be and this you can use this method for any type of niche, any type of product. Some of these you won't see. Okay, so this is a cooler. That sale rank isn't good. That's a good sales rank, but these are branded products, so you're gonna be able to sell the Amazon Basic one. So all these are this is a pretty good one, but you don't have anything to sell. That's a good one, but no sale. Let's try page 2. Okay, 2. Oh, there we go. Clear backpack. Okay, so check it out. See what it looks like. So it has a gray brim. It's called My Tree. So it has a gray brim. Okay. Alright. So this item usually sells for $8.96. So unless you can get this thing at $2, you won't want to sell something like this. But we can look and see if they got a better product. That's an eSport. So we don't want to step on eSport shoes there. Like item. Let's see. Let's here. Let's actually try this one. See if we can find that one. I'll go Campbell. Uh, $19. See if we can find. Sell rank is 18,000. Oh, so what we'll do is see if we can sell this. Now, some of this stuff you won't be able to sell, and some of this stuff you will actually have to make up a listing, and we can actually go over how you make up a listing on a future date. Okay, so we can't sell this, so it's already so let's actually go here. We can actually go to Bing, clear backpack and bulk. So we see we got discount, and the best one for these guys are dollar days. Wow, so we can find something from the dollar store, and again we might have to just create a listing and then kind of piggyback off of those listings that's already there. So this is just a basic clear backpack for $7 a unit. These are pre-orders. Log in to buy. Basic. So let's go to our Amazon here and type in clear backpack and see what if we can match any of those things up. Clear back. And again, guys, you can do this for any niche. You don't have to use Sales Who if you don't want to. This is more of a free way of finding profitable products. So some of these are Okay, so this one looks like, let's see. Let's see what our brand is. Okay, so $7 a unit, 69 case, 24. Does it have a brand name? Do they have a brand name here? Nope. So in that case, you might have to just look at the bag, either create a listing or find something that's comparable to that listing. So you will go in here. That looks about the same, but that has a brand name on it. Again, you want to look for something that's clear like this, that has a mesh there. So you gotta kind of want to, let's see if we can find something here. Uh, that's a bulk case. I don't want bulk cases, but just so you can kind of see, we don't want a bulk case, but that bulk case costs a little bit less than what we have. So let's see if we can find something different here. Actually, let's not do clear backpacks. Let's look for something that's really easy. Um, let's see, back to school folders. And this is just, guys, it's just to show you. Okay, so we go back to our dollar store, put in folders, or go back to Bing, put in folders. Okay, so those folders look like that. Pack of 24. Okay, so we're gonna go to pocket folder. So here, to pocket folders. See what we get. Okay. Oh, these are brand names. Let's go for 5-star. We don't need those, are brand names, so we don't need those. 4-pack. Yeah, you gotta kind of just, maybe we should go here. To pocket folders. Again, this is a lengthy process, guys. And okay, so we got Amazon Basics. That's a 25 pack. We don't need that. 250-pound packs. I just need the individual 6-pack multicolored folders. Okay, cool. Okay, so how many is this, and what color is that? So 6-pack. That's a sponsored product, so we probably won't get anything there. Does this have a brand name? So we can actually look at 25 cents a unit. That's great. Oh wow. Okay. Let's look at these honeycomb. These tri-face honeycombed. Look at these, guys. Again, guys, I'm just kind of showing you how difficult this thing is actually to, and how time consuming this is. And that's why a lot of people automate this stuff. So they automate this stuff so they can do different things. But I'm just showing you individually how. So if we go to the VAs later on, 34. This is 47. How many you got in here? What's case? 36 a case. So we actually can see if we can sell that case. Let's see if we're granted to selling that case there. That's pretty nifty. Let's see if they let us actually, that case. Ideal for bulk buyers. Okay, so we gotta find the Eclipse USA. Hopefully they let us sell it. There's your SN. Copy. Erase that. Profit. Good. We can actually sell this. So we can sell that as new. Sell product. Condition would be new. We don't want to undercut this guy. Let me see. So in stock. What's the seller rank? Well, I'm just showing you this, but let's see. He has it for $47. Match. I'm gonna match that. I'm gonna do ship by Amazon, into Amazon, and click save. Okay. Barcode by Amazon, and we do not have any dangerous products. Again, guys, this is time consuming. If you have a teenager or something like that, or you have time to do this, you can actually do the backwards method of doing this. And this is opposed to looking for stuff on Jungle Scout if you can't afford Jungle Scout at $99 a month, or uh, if you can't afford some of the products that have Sell Who and all these other guys. So these are just some free methods. We're actually not going to create a shipping right now, but we are going to see. Oh, it's not up there yet. So it's going to take a while for it to come up. Yeah, it's going to take. This looks like it might have to take a while before it comes up. Let's see. Let's search. Search. There it is. Okay. So, wow, it's taking that long. Okay. So we got this product here. Again, we're gonna remember that site, Dollar Days. I'm gonna actually show you how to do this for FBA. Create a Excel sheet. That way you'll know. Actually, I'll show you the Excel sheet now. Uh, so yeah, we're just gonna go to Excel sheet. Uh, how I set this up, guys. And you can use Google Sheets also. It's just I wanted it to be very basic. You can add as many features as you want, but I like to go by supplier. This is either if you're FBA, excuse me, OA, uh, retail arbitrage, or wholesale. Even with drop shipping, you can create your spreadsheet, and actually you can add. I can put method here. That way I know if it's drop ship, if it's uh, if it's one of the other 3 or 4. So, supplier would be Dollar Days because that's where I'm getting the actual product from. My product would be the poly tri-faced pocket folders. The cost would be my initial cost. Okay, so the initial cost is $34.20. So it cost me, I'll just say 34.20. Okay, my return on investment. So how much am I spending versus Amazon fees? Now, let me go back to manage my inventory. It's still loading. uh, so you can adjust this price all you want to in order for you to make a 20% profit, or if you want to make some type of profit. It looks like ship pricing, shipping, inbound. So we don't need to do that. So they don't have a estimate right now, but just say it has no fees. It will have fees, but just say they won't have any fees. So what we'll do is do a calculation here. So grab my calculator out here. So, well, how much was that? That was 47.25. So this is just gonna be the initial 47.25. 47.25 minus 34.2. So a return on investment of $13.05. So we're just gonna put $13 there. Enter bestseller rank. Okay, let me see what's if we can go back here and see what the bestseller rank was. It didn't have one. So let me actually look at this one and see if this one has a bestseller rank. No, it does not. This is a brand new product. Just launched. Okay. Uh, so it just launched, so it doesn't have a. So we're gonna put, and that's good, guys. You were one of the first to market. So NA bestseller rank SKU number would be. Go back here, or maybe here. Number would be this. So that's the SKU number, or maybe this is it. No, this is it right here. That's just the final one. Okay. Or you go with AS. I'm gonna change that to Amazon sellers. Copy that. Go back in here. Let's change that to ASIN. Change that here. Okay. 36 of them, and then the method would be wholesale. So I'll put AWS for wholesale. So that way I can keep track of what I'm actually listing, and if it goes out of stock, where to get it, and things of that nature. So yeah, guys, you want to make an Excel sheet for all your products listings, and you can add a method there. That way, or you can do 3 different sheets or 4 or 5 different sheets, just for you to keep better track of it, and help your virtual assistants. A lot of virtual assistants actually do this for you, so you won't have to do it, but you have to show them how to do this. And so again, guys, that's the backwards method. You go into your Sellers Central, you type in a product name or your product that you want to sell. Go to Bing or Google, search the wholesaler, see if it's a wholesaler for it, and then see if you're okay to buy it. If you can list that product, if you can list that product, then just go through this method, and then you should be able to get sales. Um, so in the next videos, we're gonna actually show you how to do the actual selling. I mean, and the actual shipping of products. So whether you shipping it from home, having it from online arbitrage come back to your house, or you shipping it directly to Amazon. We're gonna go over actually all that, and then we're gonna after that we're gonna kind of go back into the scan part. Hopefully, I got my license renewed by then. Scan part, or we'll go back over some RA and OA, and then we're gonna complete the actual series uh, as far as FBA, and then we're going to actually go into how you find a VA. So how you find a virtual assistant, so you can